In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't stop syncing a folder in OneDrive 5 minutes. If a folder keeps syncing to OneDrive even after you've tried to stop it, the issue is usually tied to backup settings or a stuck account connection. We'll start by adjusting the backup, then refresh the account, and finish with a clean reinstall only if it's still not behaving. First, open the OneDrive app from the taskbar. On Windows, look for the cloud icon near the clock. Click it to open the panel, then open Settings. This is where OneDrive controls what it syncs and how it backs up your folders. Next, go to the Sync and Backup section. Here you'll see options that manage known folder backup, typically desktop, documents, and pictures. Click Manage Backup. This view shows which folders OneDrive is automatically protecting. If the problematic folder is one of these, toggle it off. Turning it off stops OneDrive from continually pulling changes from that folder. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your files. It simply stops the automatic backup of that location. If you're prompted, review the notice so you understand whether files remain in the cloud version, the local version, or both, and confirm the change. Give OneDrive a moment to update. You can confirm progress by clicking the cloud icon again. When the folder is no longer listed in backup, you should stop seeing it sync. If it still won't stop, switch to the Account tab inside Settings. From the Account tab, choose Unlink this account. This safely disconnects your computer from OneDrive without removing your local files. After the unlink completes, sign back into OneDrive. During setup, confirm your OneDrive folder location, and if prompted, choose which folders you want to sync or back up. This refresh often clears stubborn sync relationships and lets you start clean with the right folders selected. If the issue persists after signing back in, it's time for a reinstall. Uninstall the OneDrive app from your system settings, then install it again fresh. Once reinstalled, open OneDrive, sign in, and reapply your preferences. This final step replaces any damaged components or stuck settings that could be forcing a folder to keep syncing. To wrap up, adjust backup and sync and backup, unlink and sign back in if needed, and reinstall as a last resort. Let OneDrive run for a minute after each change, and look for the green check marks to confirm everything's settled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take back control of your folders.